Hey guys, this is Jess aka Tomiko and welcome back to The Wolf Among Us. So we were given this lead by Nerissa, I believe her name was, who claimed to be the Little Mermaid. And so yeah, we're now in the Open Arms Hotel. As I said last time, from what I remember, this is going to be quite a good episode. So let's have a look over here.
I should probably repair that.
What's the point in having a phone without phone?
If the rooms are anything like the lobby, they should cut their rates.
It's pretty rubbish, let's not lie. Anything else? Just go up or ring? Let's ring.
Want it by the hour or for the whole night? Oh,
Beauty.
Oh.
I work here, okay? I work the front desk. It's to help pay rent. So, now you know. I know I should have told somebody, but Beast would lose his mind if you knew. Beast is a proud man, Bigby. He wants to do right by me, and he just couldn't handle it if he knew I had to do this so we don't get evicted.
Well, your secret's safe with me, all right? Let's not make a big thing of it.
Thanks, Bigby. And thanks for covering for me last time, too. So, what are you doing here? Oh, you have a key.
Someone else was murdered last night.
I heard.
The victim was someone who worked at the Pudding and Pie. Lily. She, come around here ever?
Oh, yes, the troll. I did see her. I mean, you know, we never really spoke, but she came off a tad intimidating.
Have you seen Snow?
Have you seen Snow White down here? Or maybe somebody glamored as her?
You know, it's funny. I did see someone who I thought looked a lot like her, but she didn't say anything when she saw me, even though she knew that I saw her. I just assumed it wasn't Snow and went about my business.
Do you
Ever
know
meet a
Faith?
girl named Faith? Or just maybe hear that name?
I might have. I don't know. By the end of the night, it's kind of a blur with all the names. Tara, Brandy, Amber, Heather. Sorry.
Okay.
Ever see
Lily.
Lily with someone here? Maybe on a job?
Sometimes, but nobody I've recognized. I haven't worked here that long, though.
How about a room register? Or someone named Mr. Smith?
That's all we get here, Smiths, Jones, or Johnsons. I think the last ones are jokes.
Mr. Johnson. Alright,
I
Tweedledee.
talked to Tweedledee earlier today. He mentioned you in passing. Do you know him? Or his brother?
I took out a loan for back pay. It was like our third notice. And ever since then, those annoying freaks have been pestering me for the money plus interest.
Why take out a loan from those two?
It was from the crooked man.
Beauty.
You don't know how desperate I was, Bigby. I had nowhere else to go.
Look, if this ever happens again, come see me or Snow first, all right?
I tried.
Oh. Low blow.
Thanks.
Wait. It'll be better if anyone sees you that they at least see you with me, so they know that I didn't let you just wander around by yourself. 5 minutes, please.
We'll see, Beauty.
Just be ready to act like I'm trying to kick you out.
That won't be hard.
Listen, Bigby, I assume you'll be filing some kind of an official report or something. Which is fine, it's just that I was wondering if I need to be in it. Do you have to mention my name? I mean, it's not like Beast would ever see your report. It's just...
Don't worry about it. The less I have to write down, the better.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Well, here we are. Which one was it?
Yeah, it was 204, but you know. May as well have a look.
You get health inspectors through here very often?
I don't know. What do you think?
Probably not. Looks like there's nothing here. Oh.
Never sure why they have desks in a place like this.
Finding what you're looking for?
I wasn't expecting much in here.
But isn't this why you're here? Why you have the key?
No, the key was just to be sure I found the right hotel. This isn't the room Lily was using.
Oh.
I just fancied looking around, if I'm honest.
So, are we done now?
No.
No, the room they met in was 207.
Wow. Wow, let's not say anything about that. Okay, now you're just being pervy.
You have keys to these rooms?
I thought you had a key.
Not to this one.
Hold on, Bigby. I can't just let you go into any room you want.
Why not?
Seriously, what if someone found out?
Please.
Fine.
See? Just ask nicely.
Well, that's weird. This key is supposed to open every room in the building, but it's not working.
Beauty!
Ah, shit.
Beast?
Bigby? How could you do this to me?
That did not look good.
No, sweetie, no. Wait a minute.
How could you do this? We've been together through everything. I took care of you. I love...
It's not what you think. Please.
You're cheating on me! With him?
No.
No, Beast.
No,
I
definitely
promise
not.
I'm not. I'm helping him. That's all.
I'll bet! I'm sure you help each other just great!
This is a murder investigation. She's helping me.
Stop lying to me! What the fuck is wrong with you? She's my wife!
Beast, listen to me. There's nothing going on. I'm not.
Ah!
Hey!
Bastard! I guess I finally see you for who you are!
Stop it.
You told me you hadn't seen her, you fucking liar!
Listen to your wife. Just calm down and...
Beast.
Oh gosh. QTE time!
What the hell do you think you're doing? You aren't even listening to me.
Oh, wait.
I told you to stop.
Oh.
Look at you. This is how you handle things?
You're defending him?
I'm trying to explain.
Ah!
Oh gosh.
She's my
Okay.
wife, Bigby!
I told you.
Oh my gosh. Left. Why not?
Please. Stop.
Oh gosh. Hey. Hush it. Oh my gosh.
Leave it be. This is my fault.
Just defending ourselves.
Please, no. I understand.
Mash it again. Mash.
Bigby, no. Don't hurt him.
No, don't. He's had enough. Of course I didn't hit him. Oh no, come on. I didn't hit you and that's how you repay me.
You ruined everything!
I didn't
She's
hit
my...
him. Oh, that's one way to get in.
Shit, Bigby.
And now everything's
What have
okay.
you done?
What is this? Bigby.
Look what you did to the door. You can't just act like this whenever
Stand
you...
back. You don't want to see this.
Oh, okay.
Beauty, stay in the hall.
What? Why? What's going on?
And she just comes in and...
Oh my god.
Don't touch anything.
Is this...
Lily met her client here. Mr. Smith, whoever he is.
And then...
Must have happened right here.
Jesus.
last night?
Yeah?
I was on shift last night.
On shift? Beauty, what?
I'm not a prostitute, you idiot. I work the front desk.
So that's...
Yeah.
Still,
just gonna let
this
Bruce
is
talk
no
first.
place for someone like you. I mean, look.
Can we please not talk about this?
Do you remember who rented this room last night?
I don't think anyone did. Not last night. Maybe they have it long term. I don't know. How am I supposed to know?
Because you work the front
It
desk.
just seemed like a totally normal night. How is that even possible? There's so much blood.
Go lock the front door. Keep people out of the hallway. I need you to be sure no one comes in here. This is a crime scene, okay?
But
All of a sudden, his
do what
temper's
he
gone.
says. I'll explain later, okay? Bigby, what kind of a person could do something like this?
That's exactly what I'm about to try to find out.
I can't believe this.
Do all the rooms have these same clocks with the built-in cassette player?
I think so, yes.
Okay. Bed. Apple. Let's have a look.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
Let's go back to the bed.
We shouldn't even be in here.
Oh, be quiet.
Looks like she was lying down when she was killed. Flowers were already here.
How do you know that?
Blood pattern. Also, I'd say the body was dragged off the foot of the bed. There.
The body. Jesus. You could say she. Poor girl. I just can't even imagine.
There was another option here, wasn't there? Oh, it's gone! Oh, that sucks. Why is that option gone? Oh, that's so annoying.
What is that?
It's a book about Snow White. Or about the Mundy version of her story, anyway.
Can you not access these? That's so annoying. Because those flowers match what the one that Lily was holding, I'm sure.
The whole book is about her?
Yeah. Huh.
What is it?
I think the apple is part of his fantasy about Snow White. That would explain the one we found on the floor.
Oh no. Do you think it was poisoned?
It wasn't. I'd have smelled that. I think it's just a prop. It's here because they were acting out the scene in the book.
Of course. That makes perfect sense. They were acting out the thing with her stepmother and the apple, which is really creepy when you think about it. You know, she almost died when...
Yeah. What else is there?
Why is she in a glass coffin?
This is the part where she's in a deep sleep, but they think she's dead.
Oh no. What? What is it?
I think he made up the bed to match the coffin in the picture. Flowers, too. He'd have had Lily lie down just like this.
You mean just before?
In the story, that's when someone comes to kiss her. That's our Mr. Smith.
That's
This
gross.
is just bizarre. This guy really has a thing about snow. It's like pathological.
I'm getting that feeling. Yes.
Oh my god, that poor girl. She couldn't have known. She probably just needed the money. She could have been anyone. How did she wind up here? I mean, not exactly here, but just how does a person...
Georgie took advantage of her when she was in trouble. He's a real predator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that it? That's all I see. Back. Let's have a look.
She must have been so scared.
It's a huff and puff.
I thought you were the only one who smoked that crap brand.
Excuse me.
Apparently not.
What's we got here?
Maybe she didn't see it coming.
I know, I've got the cassette.
Get it together, Beauty.
He brought
Be strong.
wine.
Classy.
I know if you do things in a certain order, then I think you're sort of inclined, or you have to go to the next bit of
Rough
story.
with
So
this dress. It's torn.
Oh no, she must have been wearing it. He killed her and then he took it back off?
No, there's no blood on it. It must have been torn some other time.
Oh no, there's more? What? What now?
That's no
This
question.
is the same dress as the one in the book about snow. I think Smith was dressing Lily up in it to recreate the
Just
snow from the
cross-dresser.
book.
You're right. It's the same dress. It's another match to what's in the book. God, I can see the whole picture now. It all goes together like you said. This creep put that girl in a Snow White dress and recreated the whole story from the book with the apple and the deep sleep and everything. You're a better detective than I thought you'd be.
Oh,
Thanks.
thanks. Yeah.
He planned it all
Thanks.
out. He had all the details noted down. Only then, when it comes time to kiss her and wake her up.
Yeah.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
Almost. That's sick. Oh no. No, 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 back. I don't want to pick this up yet. Right guys, I'm going to pause this. What I'm going to actually do, I'm going to go back, go through all the clues that I didn't get, like the flowers, and I think there was one other, the cassette, because I know that this progresses it. So, and I know that it shows you who Mr. Smith is. So I'm actually going to stop here and go back, and I'll see you back here. Right guys, I am back.
I can't believe this.
So luckily we were able to go from where
Do all
they
the
just
rooms have
crashed
these
into the
same
door. I don't have
clocks
to
with the
replay too
built-in
much.
cassette
I
player?
just chose the same
I
option
think
with
so.
Beauty,
Yes.
telling her to stay in the hall, and that's it. So yeah, now we can compare the flower.
Where'd you get that?
Lily had it in her hand, in case there was any doubt over who died here.
We shouldn't even be in here.
Oh, apple.
Do you smell something?
No, just apple.
What is that?
Right, we've
It's
seen
a book
this.
about
all the
Snow
connections.
White.
I'll make the same
Or
connections, and
about the Mundy version of her
I'll just show
story,
you
anyway.
anything that's new. Right, we just picked up the cassette. Let's
Damn it. Get
put
it
it in
together.
the player.
Be
See what
strong.
happens. Missed this one last time.
Bigby, this? I think I heard this music. Last night. It was playing pretty loudly for a while and then stopped in the middle. I didn't think twice about it at the time. I mean, you hear all kinds of things around here, and I guess I've already gotten used to blocking them out.
Could have covered up the sound of the murder.
That's a really creepy song to murder someone to.
God.
Is that it? Do we have everything?
How can I find out who rented this room?
Find whoever has the key? I'm pretty sure this one must be held long-term. And we don't keep a register or anything. This place is intentionally kind of anonymous.
I keep hearing that. Is there anything else you can tell me about last night? Anything that sticks out in your mind?
Sorry, no, it just seemed like every other night does. That's exactly what's bothering me. From now on, I'll just be down there imagining this.
We're done. Don't want to really say the other thing. It sounded almost a bit threatening. Are we done? I think we're done. I think it's just the dress. Right. I'll skip this bit.
Someone's been rough with this dress. It's torn.
I hope you're just about through. I don't really want to stay in here any longer.
Right guys, here we go.
Are those pictures of the dead girl?
Not all of them.
How do you know?
I'm in this one. It was taken last winter.
Oh no. Bigby.
Stalker.
This kind of stalking, it doesn't just stop by itself. Trust me, I know about this firsthand. He'll keep trying to get closer and closer.
His stand-in for Snow is gone now, so...
Did you see that
The
frame?
next step closer. What is it?
It's... Crane.
Yeah, that was a bit of a shock. Didn't see that coming.
He could be after you now.
Good! I am dying to get my hands on that disgusting weasel!
I'm really starting to like you, Sheriff. You're not afraid to be a complete bastard.
Obviously, there will have to be some changes.
Hello, Bigby.
Take care of it, Bigby, or I'll take care of it for you.
Oh. Gosh.
Jesus Christ, Bigby. Is that you?
Wow. Can't wait for that last one. Right. Let's compare our choices. How did you respond to querying about Snow's deaths? We went with most of them. That's good. How did you treat the murder suspect? We persuaded him to talk rather than being out of him. 91.9% of players let her... Wait. So wait, there's like 8% that didn't? Okay. How did you handle Georgie? We didn't hit him as much as I wanted to. How did you keep punching the beast when he was down? 77.8 opted to not hit him. Again, that meant there was a percentage that did. I'm hoping, like, I'm guessing that's probably from when people are actually playing it through a second time and they actually just want to see what happens, which is fair. And continue. I'm pretty sure we've reached the end of the episode. Yeah, we did. That's awesome. So, excuse me. Right. So next time we'll continue with the next episode. I really hope you look forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm enjoying playing this game for you, and yeah. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you guys next time. See ya!